Hi, my name is Hannah Wieboldt, and I'm the New York State Dairy Ambassador, and today I'll be making a strawberry cheesecake smoothie. I love this recipe as it allows for the ability to showcase some local, nutritious, and delicious dairy from Peaceful Valley Dairy in Westtown, New York. Today we'll be blending some frozen strawberries, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, cream cheese, agave syrup, and some graham crackers, and of course, the fresh local milk. Add the liquids and soft stuff first and the frozens last, as it helps protect your blender and keeps everything just a little bit smoother. Start with a half cup of the fresh local milk, which adds calcium, vitamin D, and protein. And of course, it's absolutely delicious. Next, add the cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is an excellent way to add more protein, and it makes the smoothie even smoother. Next, we're going to be adding Greek yogurt, which adds probiotic, more protein. Next, we're going to be adding just a little bit of cream cheese. This cream cheese gives the classic cheesecake flavor that everybody knows and loves. Finally, we'll be adding the agave syrup and graham crackers. And last but not least is the frozen strawberries to make it that strawberry cheesecake recipe. Finally, blend it all together.
So this is the part where we learned that not all blenders are created equal. If you're here for blender reviews, keep scrolling. However, if you're looking for a creamy strawberry cheesecake smoothie made with determination and over 35 grams of protein, stick with Hannah.
Finally, put it in your glass of choice. Add a little whipped cream and a little garnish on top. This combo gives you calcium, protein, and real dairy products. The next time you want a sweet breakfast, just remember that dairy is a great way to fuel your day. Finally, enjoy.